In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change profile picture in Netlify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to upload an image that looks great across your Netlify account. Start by opening your browser and heading to netlify.com. If you're not already signed in, log in so you land on the main dashboard. Everything we need is inside your account area. Look to the bottom left corner of the dashboard. You'll see your current avatar alongside your profile name. Click your profile name to open the account menu. A small panel will appear with quick options. From there, click your profile name again to jump into your full profile page. That second click takes you from the quick menu into your dedicated account settings where the avatar option lives. Once you're on your profile, find the General section. Depending on your layout, this may be a tab near the top or an item in the left sidebar. Click General to open your basic account preferences. Within General, locate the personal information area. Click Edit Settings so those fields become editable. This unlocks the controls you need for your avatar. Now under Avatar, click Upload Image. Your computer's file picker will open. Choose the picture you want to use and confirm the selection. For best results, use a clear, well-lit image with a square aspect ratio, something like 512 by 512 pixels or larger works nicely, and save it as a JPG or PNG. Center your face or logo, leave a little space around the edges, and try to avoid cluttered backgrounds. If a crop tool appears, adjust the frame so the most important part of the image sits right in the middle. After you select the file, give it a moment to upload. You should see a preview of your new avatar in the settings page, and then down in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Some updates are instant, while others can take a few seconds. If you see a Save or Update button, click it to confirm your changes. If there isn't one, the upload may autosave when it finishes. And that's it. You went to netlify.com, opened your profile from the bottom left corner, navigated to General, edited your personal information, and uploaded a new avatar. If the image doesn't show everywhere immediately, refresh the page or revisit your dashboard to see the update. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your refreshed Netlify profile.